Welcome to your favorite channel, Soft Learn Kids. This is a summer special learning series. Water has been a great medium for a sensory exploration. Water play activities are important in developmental age of toddlers and preschoolers. There can be indoor and outdoor water play activities. The major necessary items to get children play in water are tubs, jars, glasses, straws, etc. Such basic items are easily available in any household. So let's see what all these activities about. First of all, we can provide good musical experience to children by a jalatarang. It's a form of instrumental music where water waves produce symphony. Lopamudra enjoyed this activity very much. Making a sailboat with the help of Tetra box, Play-Doh and ice cream stick is very easy. Lopamudra loved playing and sailing boat in water. She also sang a rhyme while playing. Let's sing a song, Lopa.
Yes.
Row,
row, row, down.
Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. For next activity, dropper, plate, tissue paper, sketch pens are the things required. There are words written on the tissue paper. So you have to read those words. Okay. Now on. O-N on. 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 Lopamudra is yet to learn two-letter words and hence she is finding difficulty to screen the words. Help of basic phonic learnt, she managed to somehow find few words and pour some water onto them. For visual stimulation, I added food colors into the water. So, this colored water needs to be poured on letters, alphabets or numbers. Lopamudra needs to read a letter or alphabet one by one and then pour some water. This causes those written words to bleed, and while tissue paper gets rainbow colors in no time. Seeing colors to bleed, their mixing with other colors and creating a water pattern is really a fun. For the next activity, one can teach primary and secondary color formation to kids by mixing small amount of poster colors into water. Mixing colors and stirring water provides great learning experience for children. Lopamudra, what color is this?
Blue.
Very good. Ice play is another interesting way to give sensory experience. Here I have made colored water cubes and have mixed them with plain water cubes. Lopamudra is sorting these cubes with the help of stirrer color-wise. Dropping an ice into colorful water creates a splash. There are some outdoor water play activities as well. I shall make another video showing those activities. Till then, subscribe to my channel, share your experience, like my videos and comment your feedback new ideas and suggestions. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching the video.